Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Facebook and Zendesk Sell. So the use case here is, whenever a new lead is created in Facebook, automatically create lead in Zendesk Sell. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Facebook is a social networking site, whereas Zendesk Sell is a Salesforce automation tool. The issue here is that these two software applications don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Facebook to Zendesk Sell. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. So here I am at Google, and now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow right in your account. So now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can see we have so many workflows already created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this Create Workflow button. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow, and I'm going to name it as Facebook Lead Ads to Zendesk Sell. Now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now in this workflow, we are going to integrate Facebook lead ads with Zendesk Sell. So here in Choose App, first I am going to choose Facebook lead ads. Now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever a new lead is created through Facebook lead ads, we want to create a lead in Zendesk Sell. That is why new lead here will be our trigger event. Now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever a new lead is created through Facebook lead ads, we want to create a new lead in Zendesk Sell. That is why new lead created in Facebook lead ads will be our trigger event, whereas creating lead in Zendesk Sell will be our action event. So now I'm going to click on Connect with Facebook Lead Ads. Now under credentials, you have two options. Either you can create new credentials by clicking on Connect with Facebook Lead Ads, or you can select any existing credentials like this. So here I'm going to let it be new credentials, and now I'm going to connect with Facebook Lead Ads. Okay, so authorization is successful. So now here it is asking me for the page name. When I click here, you can see I have so many pages that are already created inside my Facebook. And I want that this page should be the page. That is why I am going to select it as Nippon Tech over here. Okay. So now lead generation form. So inside this page, I'll show you. I'll go to my publishing tools. Okay. So now here under lead ads form, I'm going to click on forms library. So here I have created these 4 forms through which I can generate my lead. So here I am going to choose FB leads form. So I am just going to choose the same here, FB leads form. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so when you see here, you can see I have got my field data in a combined format over here. So this is the information of the last lead that was created, and you can see it is coming in a combined format. So now what I'm going to do is, first I am going to go to my Facebook lead forms and I'm going to create a new lead. And after that, what I'm going to do is I am going to click on save and send test request so that Pabbly Connect captures the data. Okay, so I'll go to my Facebook lead ads, and here through this form, I'm going to generate a new lead. Okay, so now I'm just going to remove this and I'm going to enter the details. gracematthew@gmail.com. Full name Grace Matthew. Next, submit. Okay, so I have created a new lead through this form. Now I'm just going to close it. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to click on save and send test request. I'll just extend this. So you can see we have got our details, but here our detail is coming in a combined format. So what we need to do is we have to filter this combined data into separate fields and values. So first I'll just save it. Okay, so now in order to filter this data in separate fields and values, I am going to add an action step over here. So I am going to use data transformer. Now in action event, I am going to choose Facebook leads ad and I am going to click on connect with data transformer. Okay, so here field data, map field data received through Facebook lead ad trigger. So here you have to fill this data, that is field data. So I'm just going to map it. Here it is. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So you can see we have got our data over here. We have the email field over here and we have the email value. We have the full name field and the full name over here. I'm just going to click on save. Okay, so here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on this plus button and now we are going to integrate Zendesk Sell with Pabbly Connect. So here I am going to choose Zendesk Sell. And now according to our workflow, whenever a new lead is created through Facebook lead ads, we want to create a new lead in Zendesk Sell. That is why create lead will be our action event. You can select any other action event according to your choice and according to your workflow. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now I'm going to click on create lead because this is our action event. And now I'm going to connect with Zendesk Sell. So now under credentials, you have two options. Either you can create new credentials by connecting with Zendesk Sell, or you can select any existing credentials like this. I'm going to let it be new credentials and now I'm going to connect. So now I'm just going to authorize it. You don't have to worry about your information. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. So now when you come down here, you can see we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information according to our response. So first you can see first name and last name. So here it requires the first name and last name in separate columns, whereas we only have got the full name. So in order to separate our names into first name and last name, we are going to split our name. So in order to do that splitting, we are going to add an action step. And here I am going to choose text formatter. And now in action event, I am going to choose split text, connect with text formatter. So text to split. So here you have to enter the text that you want to split. So I'm just going to map our name over here. So separator. So what is going to be the separator for this name? So if you have any special characters, you can just mention that. But here you can see I have space over here. That is why I am going to use this space from here. I'll just copy it. I'll paste it over here. So now this space is going to be the separator, and then first name and last name will be two separate fields. So segment index, that means which part of the name do you want? Do you want the first part, second part, last, second to last, or all? So here we require both first name and last name. That is why I am going to click on all. And now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So you can see we have successfully split our name over here. You can see Grace is separate and Matthew is separate. I'll just save this. Okay. I'm going to connect this again so that our workflow gets refreshed. So now I'll just map the first name. First name is here Grace. Last name is Matthew. Organization name. Now in our Facebook lead ad form that we created, we didn't have the column for organization name. Now if you want, you can create a column there and then you can easily map it. Here I'm just going to manually enter it. Okay. Title I'm not going to put. Select source. So here what you have to do is you have to first go to your Zendesk Sell and you have to add the source. So here I only have two sources, that is Calendly and Gravity Forms. So I'll go to my Zendesk Sell account and here I am going to click on settings option. Here you can see leads option in my left hand side. And now I'm going to click on lead sources and I'm going to add lead source over here. So I'll just click on it and I'm going to write Facebook lead ads. I'm going to add it. Okay, so I've added this source called Facebook lead ads. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. I'll refresh this once. So you can see we have the option of Facebook lead ads over here. Okay, description, I am just going to write lead generated through Facebook lead ads. Okay, all this is not required. Email, we have the email. Let me map it. Phone, mobile, all this is not required. If you have all these fields in your Facebook lead ads form, then you can easily map it here. I'm just going to click on save and send test request. Okay, so we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration of Facebook lead ads with Zendesk Sell. So now I'm going to go to my Zendesk Sell and we are going to check if we have created a new lead called Grace Matthew or not. So I'll go back to my Zendesk Sell and I'll just go to my leads over here. So you can see we have Grace Matthew over here. I'll just open it. So you can see we have the description, lead generated through Facebook lead ads. You can see the email is here, the date is here, and you can see the name is over here. Okay, fine. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So now I'll go back to my Facebook lead ads form over here and I'm going to again create a new lead. Full name is Sia Klo. Next, submit. Okay, so we have successfully submitted one more lead over here. Now let us go back to Zendesk Sell and check if a new lead is created there or not. So I'll go back to my Zendesk Sell. I am just going to go back to my leads. I'm just going to refresh this once. Okay, so you can see we have successfully created a new lead over here. You can see Sia Klo. You can see the company, the status is new. The ownership is here. I'll just open it. Okay, so you can see we have the email over here. We have the description. Okay, so now this response might take some time like 5 to 10 minutes, but you'll surely create your new lead automatically here. Okay, so now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. We have successfully finished our integration. And now I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. I'll just minimize all this. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Connect, and then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Zendesk Sell. So in our workflow, what we have done is first we created new lead in Facebook lead ads. Then we used the data transformer because we had the data in a combined format and we had to filter it. And then we filtered our data. And after that, we used the split text because we had to split our full name into first name and last name. And last, we created a new lead in Zendesk Sell. So now every time a new lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically a new lead will be created in Zendesk Sell. So we have successfully finished the integration of Facebook lead ads with Zendesk Sell using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any query, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. And you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.